Yes, Nissan Civilian. It's a bus. Yeah. So they brought it to, it had a leakage. It had a leakage down here. It had the leakage. So I had to look for that leakage. Yet I found it here. Are you seeing a spot there? Yeah, where I'm touching. I'm going to touch there. It's where it was linking from. A leakage here. Let me show you here. Do you see here? It was a leakage here. A leakage. Yeah, so I fixed it. So now it's okay. We are refilling. It's called AC recharge. Yeah, we are recharging it. Yeah. Nissan Civilian. Yeah, it's Nissan Civilian. You know, they disturb me with Nissan Navara. So it's Nissan Civilian. So we're refilling it. We are done with the leakage. All the leakage issues. Now we are getting in. We are refilling it. Yeah, recharging. So there, it's where it's recharged from. Yeah, now we're refilling it. Yeah, it's functioning very well. Yeah, Treavor AC. Yeah, recharging Nissan Navara. Sorry. Nissan Civilian.
Lydia contraceptives, bomba kujukiza anti-girls, got plans, so they'll take a take on